How to fix probably stolen Cyberpunk Pawn Shop Simulator is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open the properties. Now the first thing you'll need to do is add -dx11 to the launch options, then go to installed files and verify the game files quickly. Once everything is validated, you can close Steam and then open up your browser. Head to this link, which you can find below in the video description. Now from here, you will need to install the redistributables. You'll need the 86 and the 64, both of them. Once you finish the installation, this will prompt you to restart your computer. Make sure to do that. And the next thing you'll need to do is update your graphic card driver. So for NVIDIA cards, you will need this NVIDIA app installed. Then go to drivers and make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. If you're running AMD, you will need the AMD software instead. Next, you want to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. This should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.